Hello, this is Victor, Mercedes.com. This is the video for Rolando in Brazil. And Rolando, I just wanted to show you that I put the throttle bodies on the vehicle. This is a test car. It's going to be driven tomorrow, not today. Also, your Egas module is inside. Okay, the Egas is in there. These are your throttle bodies. You see I made wires long. This is going to be universal now. It can fit the S-Class, if anything. So this is your unit here, 1 and 1. Those are my units over there. See over there? These are my throttles right there. Okay, so these are mine. These are yours. What I'm going to show you is I'm going to show you the mileage, so you're going to know how many miles I drove on this car and stuff like that. So this is another throttle right here. See, also the wire is a little longer, but it's okay. So let's just record the mileage. Put the ignition on. So here's the mileage. 33296. Okay. Throttle body noise. This is learning. Okay, this is the right. I mean, that's the left. This is the right one. Okay, the noise is here. And I'm going to add to this video tomorrow, I guess. When I remove them, just start the car up. You can see front's fine. Acceleration. No problem. So this is going to be the beginning. Engine runs fine. Okay, so this is going to be the beginning. Tomorrow after the test, I'm going to make another video with the mileage and maybe drive it up and down the street, and we'll leave it to that. Alright, so this is part 1. Part 2 is coming up. Okay, Victor here again, Mercedes.com. This video is for Rolando in Brazil, and here is a test car, 600, SL600, and just want to show you the car. Drove for about, let's see how many miles now. It's a 398, and I believe it was 300 miles since I made first video. Okay, so these are the throttles. They're still in this vehicle. The car is cold. It's been sitting overnight, so I just want to show you the operation real quick. And basically this is it. Throttles are ready to go. I did put them on the vehicle because I didn't like the bench test, but I think it was some sort of glitch on my bench. So first, put on the ignition. They're gonna go into learning process right now. Okay, so that was learning. Egas module is still in the computer box, so I'm going to start it so you can see the operation. And I don't want to drive it because I want it to be cold so I can replace throttles and with the the ones that belong to this car. But as you can see, there's no ASR light. Acceleration is fine. It's a cold start, so we obviously have to wait until it warms up fully. But get the air pump going. But as you can see, they work just fine. So I'm about to remove them, replace throttles, put in throttles that belong to this car, and that's it. Just want to make this video just to show the mileage. Like I said, a previous video, I think it was 300. So right now it's 398. Idle speed is good. Acceleration is also good. Actually see you can see the engine twist. So yeah, full power. So yeah, 100 miles about for a test on the vehicle, and no problems here. Okay, so I'm gonna just make this video short because there is really no point of showing anything else. This is good to go. I just have to change throttles before rain comes, and these are gonna be ready to go. So no problems. Okay, so this is gonna be a quick one. That's it. Victor.